In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an EMA on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, then right-click in your chart and click on Indicators. Now here at the search, type EMA. Choose this one and click on Add. Now we have here the period. You can choose any period you want. So for me, I will type, for example, let's say 20. Scroll down a little bit and you will see here EMA, and this is the color and the width of your EMA. If you want to change them, click on this arrow here and you will see here color. So let's change it, for example, to maroon. And we have here width. I will change it, for example, to 5. Click on apply and click on OK. As you can see, this is our EMA. In that sense, so I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.